In-game panel shortcut versus navigation bar button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. So you will see Advanced Features is here. So click on Advanced Features. So here click on scroll down and click on Game Booster Settings. After click on Game Booster Settings, so you will see where to access the in-game panel. So you will see status, shortcut bar and navigation bar is here. So if you want to set shortcut bar, so click on shortcut bar. So if you want to set navigation bar button, so click on navigation bar button. So after select shortcut bar and navigation bar button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can in-game panel shortcut versus navigation bar button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.